Hi guys, have you guys ever been confused about the electron donating groups and the electron withdrawing groups? So let's just make them super easy for you. The electron donating groups are the groups that can push the electrons toward the carbon chain. Meanwhile, the electron withdrawing groups, they pull the electrons of the carbon chain toward themselves. So they are the electron withdrawing groups and the electron donating groups. Electron donating groups are also called the activating groups. Meanwhile, the electron withdrawing group are also called the deactivating groups. Anyway, but so this is a huge list of the groups, but how to just remember all of them? So there is a super easy trick for them. So according to the electronegativity, the fluorine is the most electronegative element, then the oxygen, then nitrogen, carbon, and then the hydrogen. So if a more electronegative group or the atom, if the more electronegative atom is directly attached to the carbon chain, it means that gonna be the electron donating group. For example, oxygen and the hydrogen. So oxygen is more electronegative than the hydrogen, and oxygen is directly attached. So it's gonna be the electron donating group. Again, the oxygen and the carbon. So oxygen is more electronegative than that of carbon, directly attached, gonna be the electron donating group. Again, the nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative than the hydrogen. Nitrogen is directly attached. So again, electron donating group, and that is same for all of the groups, which make it super easy to remember. Meanwhile, for the electron withdrawing groups, always the less electronegative atom is directly attached. Now, what does that mean? So, in this electron withdrawing groups, we can look that among the nitrogen and the oxygen, the nitrogen is less electronegative than that of oxygen. So, when the less electronegative group is directly attached to the carbon chain, it means that is the electron withdrawing group. If we look at the next example, the carbon and the nitrogen, which is the more less electronegative atom, the carbon. So the carbon is directly attached to the carbon chain here rather than the nitrogen, so it's the electron withdrawing group. So I hope this makes the topic super easy for you and you don't need to cram the things now on. So if you need more knowledgeable tips, you can visit my channel and comment below if you need more such tips.